everyone, Jaymes Mansfield here bringing you yet another video. Oh my god, you guys. I know I said in the last video I would never, ever, ever work with costume hair again. Needless to say, it's gonna be a while before I go back to a costume wig again. Goodness. Well, I lied. I went to Walmart and I remember last year I styled up some premium Walmart wigs. Well, I decided, let's go even lower. That's right, the bar has been lowered. We are going to style up the cheapest Walmart wigs I could find. And boy, did I find some. Here, I'm gonna show you guys what I got. When I saw these, I could not resist. This is what I got. It is a troll wig from Walmart. And I believe it was, yep, $7. And I got 2 of those. As well as I got a rainbow wig to match, a long rainbow wig, also $7.98. So around $8, give or take. We are gonna transform these. You okay, girl? The Walmart wig's got her hair slipping back. Oh my God. Get yourself together. Oh, okay, someone's due for a wig change. Wig change! All right, much better.
How dare you put me in this wig?
Now, where was I? I'm going to transform these wigs for you folks today for the Halloween season. Yes. All right, let's see how they look. I'll be right back. Welcome back. This is not what I was expecting. Okay, I probably should have, paid a little more attention when I was buying these. This is not like synthetic wig fibers at all. It's actually like fur. Like we're talking full-on stuffed animal right now. So this is gonna be an interesting video. Let's just put it that way. It's a good thing I actually bought a 3rd wig from Walmart. So, whew, positive side, we actually have a wig to transform with these wigs. So I'll be right back. Okay, here we go. Thankfully, I bought this pink wig. Oh boy, yep. Good thinking on my part. I bought a synthetic wig at Walmart along with those wigs. So we actually have a wig to like use as a base and try and incorporate those Kushling hairs in here somehow. Okay. Oh my God, look at the shine on this. My God. It's like someone slathered it in Vaseline. Okay, well. Look at this rave-ready hair. Well, I think we're gonna go along with that idea. So let's start transforming this. First things first, I'm going to run my brush down through this and we're gonna create a hairline out of what little they gave us here. Hopefully this one's better than that one. These Halloween wigs, girl, have been working my last damn nerve. This is gonna be pretty. The whole idea of these troll dolls always fascinate me because I was obsessed with the colors growing up. I used to love, 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 love troll dolls. And those are some of like the few dolls I was allowed to have as a kid were troll dolls. My parents let me have troll dolls and Kushlings. That was the closest I got to them when I was a little kid. Oh, and Beanie Babies. I love Beanie Babies too. So that was basically like were placeholders for the Barbie dolls I couldn't have. Sad, sad times to be a child. Ugh. I have to say, as far as pushing down the hair, this one is not so bad. It's actually rooting down fairly easily. Like it's definitely costume hair fibers, but it's working along with me better than the other wigs. So good on this wig so far. Did I accidentally buy one of the Walmart premium wigs? No. Although don't sleep on those Walmart premium wigs. I actually bought a couple last year. Check out that video. I transformed those and made a whole ponytail out of them. I'll link it down below. All right, just combining our hair sections. Could we actually get a rooted hairline out of this wig? I'll be shocked, but I think it might actually work. All right, the hairline is all rooted. Now it's time to tease out this wig. Okay, here we go. It's always a pleasure whenever the hair is usually really easy to work with. This one was actually very, very nice to me this time around. I saw the colors and thought, oh my God, this is gonna be an absolute horror show. But so far, so good. I can't complain, knock on wood. Tease, tease, tease. Give it a special tease, yeah. Yeah, so far, I don't know, maybe it's because this pink color is actually working out really, really well. Some colors are like that, I guess. Oh, I clocked a new wig stand. I got a new wig stand, you guys, because y'all were clowning me for my last one. So I got one of those new ones, the Jex ones, and let me just say, it's already giving me problems. The head keeps shifting. So I think it's just me. I think the problem is found between the wig stand and the floor. Yeah, I have to say I'm really liking this so far. Like the hair is teasing down really easily. Unlike this one was a pain in the ass. And it's kind of the same texture of hair. It's costume hair, like the plastic kind. I guess some are better than others. Walmart's just like, not our store, sweetie. Welcome back. She is all teased out. Okay, now comes time to style it. So here we go. We're gonna pull out these weird, 90s rave cat ears. Or I guess they're supposed to be like the troll puffs, like the poofs. Like that's the bang, this flap, and the rest is just the troll hair. But I'm not gonna pay attention to that at all. I'm gonna put that in the back actually, and put it on the corner here and make sure it's curved. It curves out like this. And that's gonna be the curve of our cat ear. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna make a rave kitty. Yes! Now, the next action is to figure out exactly how the hell we're gonna put this on the head. Because it's not exactly a wig. He's gonna have to get creative. Actually, I think I could probably bobby pin it. Let's see though. Let's see if that'll work. Okay, bobby pins may actually work. Okay, that's reassuring. Let's see if I can get this hooked down. Oh yeah, let's hook one of the flowers, pin it back to the head. All right, so the back is a lot easier than the front. Bear that in mind. I'm using the flowers that are attached to this to anchor it down to the head. Yeah, if you look at it, it has these little daisies on it. So I'm putting pins on those and using them as anchors, and it's really actually working. Now I just gotta figure out how to get the front to stay down. This is gonna be so stupid, I can't wait. Oh, it's gonna be like those random outfits in The Sims 2, in the Nightlife expansion pack, you know the one. Cat ear is attached. Let me just take out that pin so I don't stab myself in the brain later. Okay. It's pretty sturdy, okay. And if it's actual fur, you can mold it with hairspray too. Get my soft brush. Brush the hair upward. That way we can really play around with that cat look. Not too much hairspray on the fur though. Bear that in mind. Use a soft brush. And then you can get the fur manipulated wherever you want it to go. I know this from doing puppets. The trick is not use too much and use it very sparingly if you can. God, I hate fake fur. I just feel it all over my face right now. And this fake fur, she's like, I hate you too. Kitty. Okay, let's do the other side. Plop that right there. Cat ears. Oh my God, it's gonna be so stupid. I can't wait. Now I am so curious. What are you guys gonna be for Halloween? I'm not exactly sure what I'm doing yet, but let me know down below what you're doing because I wanna know. I'm probably gonna be somebody who's sleeping, literally and in my costume. Oh my goodness, this is ridiculous. I'm kind of obsessed with it. Okay, let me just secure it a little more with pins, and then we gotta figure out a style with the rest of the hair. So stupid. Oh my goodness. Okay. A little bit of finishing spray in the back. Yeah, like I said, expensive wig head or not, I still have problems with them. It's just me. I'm the problem here. One of y'all recommended the Jack's wig stand, and girl, it is the same. Honestly, I'm having the same problems. Me and you, we're gonna fight after this. Okay. Let's see what we can do here. All right. This is gonna be ridiculous. I'm here for it. Just gonna go into this with reckless abandon and see where we go with it. I'm allowing myself to be taken on this journey. It kind of looks like a psychedelic version of like the hormone monster from Big Mouth. What in my own drug-addled fantasies have I cooked up today? Kind of Cheshire cat nightmare. Ooh, girl, I'm about to be the prettiest girl at the rave. I'm here for this. Okay, so I managed to get the back all smoothed out, which I'm actually not mad at. It's looking about as pretty as it's gonna get for this kind of hair quality. And that teasing added a nice density to the wig. You hear that fancy word? Density. Spray. Well, let's see how much hair we pulled out of this wig. This much. Ugh. Okay, I'm not exactly sure what hairstyle this is or where my imagination has taken me. Okay, let's just play around with this front now and see where it takes us. Oh, wait a second. Okay. I don't know what just happened here, but like I was able to wave this hair up. I think just because it's so dense and plasticky, it kind of just wants to be whatever the hell I want it to be at this point. It's like, yeah, I'll go that direction. I don't care anymore. What is life? So the hair is actually kind of just going where I want it to go at this point. I love that. I love when a wig just gives up and submits to me. Okay. All right. We're gonna go it. Okay, this is fine. It's just, okay. If it wants to go that way, just go that way. Who cares? Now, if you're breathing, be sure and hit that like button on this video. That's right, the bar is low here. Can it be that I have had a creative breakthrough right now? Girl, I don't know what it is or what it aspired to be, but she's kind of a hairdo. I'm not gonna lie. It makes absolutely no sense. It's definitely an Alice in Wonderland nightmare, but in like the best possible way. Y'all can't tell me. This is gonna be cute. Why am I blowing on it? I have a blow dryer. Oh Lord, I'm losing my damn mind. Do you think Walmart watched my video from last year and thought like, oh, excuse me. That monster coming back up. What was I saying? Oh yeah. I think Walmart must have saw my video last year and thought, girl, we gotta up our game because Miss Jaymes is gonna buy our wigs and she's gonna transform them. That's right, Walmart is thinking about me, girl. She is heading in a certain direction and I think she's just about done. I just gotta brush through these ends a little bit, and I do mean a little bit because there ain't really a whole much else I can do. I am going to try her on and clip this, and I'll be right back. Welcome back. This is the final result, and I have to say, I don't know what drug-addled dream this came from, but I'm actually not really mad at it. Now, I had to do a lot of work off camera to make this thing work. Like, thankfully, I had discarded hair from when I cut the hairline, so I had to, like, copy and paste it all the way around the hairline. Like, this whole section right here in the pink. This wasn't there before. I had to invent that literally within minutes before I got on camera. Also, I have to say, this hair was not that bad when it came down to it. Like, if you're gonna make a ponytail piece, like a topper out of it, for like Halloween mind you, not for like actual life or drag. But for Halloween, it's not a bad wig to use for a topper or back piece. It gets a lot of volume in it. It actually packed up really well and big. So I'm not mad at this. Walmart definitely stepped their cookies up this year. As far as these things go, I don't know what they are. It's like a Fraggle Rock just took a nap on my head. I'm in love with it, okay? I'm not gonna go any more about it. It is a look, okay? I'm serving you a moment right now. You're gonna look at this 10 years from now and think, wow, Jaymes Mansfield was on the cutting edge of fashion and we had no idea. Setting trends here on this channel. Just you watch. Now this wig is fabulous, but it is just missing one more thing. The Jaymes Mansfield Magical Wig Spray from Black Phoenix Alchemy Lab. Let's just give this wig a spritz. Ah, now my hair smells just like cream soda. Available at blackphoenixalchemylab.com. And grooming can be an absolute drag. Thankfully, I have Manscaped. Use my code Jaymes20 or Mansfield for 20% off your purchase plus free shipping. It's for your no-no bits. Wow. And I'd like to take a moment, a VENMO, where I thank everyone who's tipped me on VENMO as well as a PayPal-a-money. I would like to thank Andrew, James, and Kenny. Sean, Paulina, and Kathleen. Thank you so much, Kathleen, for the PayPal-a-money. Now, folks, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I do mean comment, and I do mean subscribe. And give me a like, too, while you're at it. You got nothing better to do. It's Halloween, and we're all stuck inside, so do it. I told you to. Now, until next time, bye. I'm an evil cat. Or a rave kitty. I don't know what I am, but it looks cute. Hit the outro. Click here and watch me transform a spooky, spooky spirit Halloween wig. Or see me transform vintage wigs from eBay. Come on, click it. You know you want to. If you don't click it, the old school charm fans will never stop bothering you about that new remake. So click it.